Wow, what have we just witnessed there?
What a ripper, what a good piece of bowling.
And that's gone to the boundary like a tracer bullet.
Kohli drives through the covers, it's into the fence like a tracer bullet.
Bowler Virat Kohli on strike. He's driven that through the covers. Beautiful shot. That's gone like a tracer bullet.
Wow, what have we just witnessed there?
Oh, that's another six. That is huge.
It's in the air. This is going to be out straight down his throat. Oh, he's dropped it. I cannot believe it. That is just unbelievable.
Down the ground, but fielder underneath and taken.
Wow, what have we just witnessed?
Right shot. That's a six. That's a big six.
Down the ground, but fielder underneath and taken.
Again! It's all
What have we
over!
just witnessed?